Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a simple latching circuit with a 555 timer IC. A latching switch maintains its state either open or closed after being activated by a brief press. For this, we use the 555 in bistable mode. Used a 10 kilo ohm resistor for voltage divider. One resistor from pin 8 to 6. The second one from pin 1 or the ground to pin 2. Pin 3 gets a 100 kilo ohm resistor that goes to the switch. Use 1 kilo ohm resistor as current limiting for the LED. We need a 10 microfarad capacitor. Connect it with the negative terminal to the ground and the positive terminal to the switch. Use push button switch. Connect it with the one side to the pin 2 of the 555 and the other side to the positive of the capacitor and the 100K resistor. The pin 8 gets jumped directly to pin 4 by enameled wire, and pin 6 it's jumped back to pin 2. Use a 10mm ultra bright white LED. Connect the anode of the LED to the output pin via 1K resistor and the cathode to ground. Pin 1 goes to ground and pin 8 goes directly to the supply voltage or VCC. For more stability, add a 100 nanofarad capacitor between pin 1 and pin 8. Power the circuit with 9 volts DC. A latch circuit is widely used for data storage, overcurrent protection, alarm systems, and control logic like power-saving modes. If I helped with that, consider giving this video a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.